Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below because it is free. So as you can see from the title, we're going to be doing my makeup routine for the winter. My skin is severely dry. You guys can't even see the details. Like I don't know if you can see right here, it's literally peeling. My eyelids are so dry that it's wrinkling. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hyperpigmentation going on, just a lot. Dark spots going on right there. All right, so I'm gonna switch into voiceover so you guys can just watch and listen. All right guys, so I'm starting off with a fresh face, and then first thing I do is moisturize my skin with some raw shea butter. Sounds a little extreme and a little greasy and oily, but my skin is gonna suck it right up because it's very dry, and it kind of gives me a really nice dew under my foundation because otherwise my skin would look like it's about to crack and fall off my face. So of course I start by brushing out my eyebrows, and then I just take my pencil and I just fill it in a regular way, nothing special going on, and then I just do the same thing to the other side. And then to conceal my brows, I'm using a MAC concealer, the one in the pot, but I do prefer to use my LA Girl concealer because it's liquid and it's easier to spread on dry skin. So that's what you see me using right there. And then of course I use a beauty blender to blend it out, and it's really easy to blend it out because of the shea butter that's on my skin, so it makes it nice and soft and there's no sort of friction going on. So the first foundation I'm using is the MAC Next to Nothing. It's very moisturizing, barely any color. So then I go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation to add some color. And then lastly, I use the NARS Radiance foundation. I forgot the name, you'll see it in the description. And I use that because it's a lot darker and it matches my skin tone a bit better, and it just kind of evens things out, and it's also very moisturizing and dewy. So then I take my Real Techniques beauty blender and I just blend everything out nicely. And I take my time because I don't want to irritate my skin. So that's what you see me doing here. So now I'm going in with my under eye concealer, which is the LA Girl concealer in the color Toffee. And like I said, liquid concealers are my go-to just because they're easier to manage on dry skin. It won't get all up in the cracks. So I do that under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And then I just go ahead and I let it sit for about 30 seconds, drink some tea. I'm actually drinking soup. And then I take my beauty blender and I also blend that out very gently, and I take my time. But again, having the shea butter base is really making things spreadable. And then I'm just taking a brush, a small brush, and I'm using the NARS foundation to help contour my nose because like I said, it was a little bit darker, so it kind of gives that warmth and color back to my face that I need. Now I'm going to take some powder. I'm using the Black Opal setting powder in the color Neutral Light, and I'm just lightly brushing that under my eyes or patting it under my eyes, and then I take a brush and I dust it off. I don't let it sit because again, we don't want any cracked up under eyes. We just kind of pat it in, dust it off, and make it look natural. All right, so now I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in the color NW50, and I'm just dusting that all over my face to kind of even out my color and get rid of any excess shine that I have going on because there's a lot that I put on just now. On my eyes, I'm going to be using the Tarteist Pro palette, and you guys can see the colors right there that I'm using. I'm just using this to warm up my eyes and kind of make me look like I'm alive. You know, I'm using very neutral colors. I'm using an orangey color, and then I'm going in with a dark brown color. I'm putting it on my bottom lash line to kind of smoke things out, and then I go in with the dark brown in my crease, and then I also blend that in as well. So something natural, something simple that'll just kind of make me look more awake, basically. I'm now going in with my MAC 3D Dimension mascara. No falsies today, no liner, just that. And then I'm gonna go in with my blush just to kind of, okay, yeah, my brush broke there. Just stick it back in and keep moving. I'm gonna go in with some blush to kind of warm up my face again, give it some dimension. And then I just dust off any extra powder with my big powder brush, as you guys can see. And now it's time for the lip liner. I'm using a dark brown, which is the Chestnut from MAC. Favorite liner, amazing. And then I'm going in with a Kiss New York lipstick. It is so beautiful on dark skin. It's in the color 03. I'll leave all the details in the description box. And then of course, for the best part, I am going in with some highlight to make myself shine because Under all this makeup is the opposite of that. We are cracking and looking a little struggle. So I need to look dewy and shiny and just hydrated. I kind of just went for a really summery look because right now my skin is screaming winter. Definition of my skin right now is winter. So I'm trying to make it look like the opposite. So this is the final look. I basically just tried to make up for my dry skin by creating a lot of shine and dew and highlight so I would look nice and golden and hydrated. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very simple. This is my go-to look for the winter time and it's very moisturizing. So try it out. Let me know what you think. Comment, thumbs up, subscribe and all that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.